This is your key to success, your key to happiness, and your key to Jannah, the beautiful and noble Quran. Today I have an opportunity for you to earn rewards for reciting, memorizing, and teaching the Quran without even carrying out these acts yourself. And all of that for as little as 33 cents per day. The Global Quran Memorization Center, GQMC, is a project launched by the International Open University, and it has been responsible for teaching the Quran to more than 2,800 students over the last 10 years. We have produced over 350 graduates and over 50 Quran teachers who now continue to teach the Quran to countless people worldwide. I'm only looking for 500 people to give at least $10 a month and earn the rewards of the best of humankind. As the Prophet ﷺ said, "The best of you are those who learn the Quran and teach it." Will you be one of those special people chosen by Allah to protect, preserve, and spread the Quran to the masses? Donate now by visiting the link below and take advantage of this golden opportunity. And don't forget to share the video also. Jazakumullahu khairan. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.